The HDFC Innovation Fund aims to tap into this theme by investing in businesses demonstrating product, service, or process innovation. But how suitable is it for your investment portfolio? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this fund, let us first understand what is it about. As this is an NFO, it opens on 27 June 2025 and closes on 11th July 2025. And some of the key features of this fund are, it is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity thematic, and it follows the benchmark of Nifty 500 TRI, and there is an exit load of 1% for redeeming within 1 month, and there is no entry load, but the minimum investment amount you need to invest in this fund is 100 rupees, and the fund managers for this fund are Mr. Amit Shah and Mr. Dhruv Muchal. And according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high, and the primary investment objective of this fund is that it aims to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing in companies demonstrating product, service, or process innovation. The fund will predominantly invest in equity and equity-related instruments of companies categorized under the innovation theme. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this NFO, let us move on to understanding the pros and cons of investing in this fund. So let's first start with the pros. So first, exposure to innovation theme. Investing in a company with a focus on innovation across products, service, or processes, potentially capturing disruptive growth stories yearly. And also, thematic innovation can span multiple sectors like tech, healthcare, financial services, etc. It allows us sectoral diversification within the theme itself. And third, long-term growth potential. So innovative companies, if successful, can generate exponential returns over time, making it an attractive option for long-term investors. And fourth, experienced fund house. So as this NFO is managed by HDFC Mutual Fund, which is known for its research capabilities and robust fund management practices, you can be rest assured this is an experienced fund house managing your money. And next is the cross market cap approach. So this fund invests across large, mid, and small cap companies, offering you a good balance between stability and growth. So these are some advantages. Now let us move on to understanding a few drawbacks, like the cons of investing in this fund. So first is the thematic concentration risk. Since it's focused on the innovation theme, poor performance in innovative sectors or failed innovations could affect your overall returns. Second, high volatility. Many innovative companies are mid or small cap and in early growth stages, leading to higher price fluctuations. Third, longer investment horizon required, because innovation driven ideas may take time to translate into profit, so the fund may not be suitable for short term investors. Fourth, possibility of overvaluation. Innovative companies often trade at high valuations based on future expectations, which can pose downside risk if growth slows. Number 5, not ideal for conservative investors. Due to its thematic nature and potential volatility, it may not align well with low risk or income focused investment profiles. So then what is the final takeaway from this video? While the innovation theme sounds promising, investing in a new fund offer like NFO comes with uncertainties because it has no track record, unknown portfolio construction, and execution risk involved. So at this stage, we do not recommend investing in the HDFC Innovation Fund NFO. It's better to wait, observe how the fund performs post-launch, and only then consider it if it fits your overall financial plan and risk profile. So what we recommend is, if you are a first-time investor or even a conservative investor who's not willing to take a lot of risk, you should avoid investing in NFO like this. If you do want to invest in a fund that deals with the innovation theme, there are other similar existing thematic funds with track record where you can invest, because you will know what kind of risk you are taking here. But investing in an NFO like this is taking a blind risk. And also, if you're looking to add funds to your core portfolio, this this is not the fund you need to add to. But if you do want to, you can add it through your satellite portfolio, where if you have surplus money, then you can invest a minimum amount just for experimental basis. Then over the years, if you think it's performing well, then you can invest and increase the amount accordingly. And also avoid investing in NFO like this if you don't know when to enter and exit from a thematic fund like this. And finally, before investing in an NFO like this, or if you need any professional guidance, you can definitely consult with a professional financial planner, because they will look into the suitability of this NFO's investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, allocation, and see whether it aligns with your investment portfolio goals and your risk tolerance.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.